RV Prepperist Wayne here. Today I'm going to talk about Sumo Springs, what they are, what they do, and the benefits of them. I have a front and rear set here for a early 2000 Class A RV that's on a Ford F-53 chassis. What they do is they take a lot of the sway and sag and everything out of an RV, makes it more stable. So let's open them, one of them up, and I'll kind of show you what they are and how easy they are to install. We're going to install them later on. It's just I'm going to go ahead and show you everything with these now. Okay, when you open the box up, you're going to have all your bolts that you need. It's also going to give you a sticker here to show you that it is Sumo Springs. And it comes with a limited lifetime warranty paper, both English, just English, and your warranty card here on the back side that you fill out. And it has the simple and easy to follow, once I open it up here, simple and easy to follow instructions. As you can tell here, basically it goes between your spring and the body itself. What that does is it takes the bouncy and the sway. These are already preloaded. As you can tell, this one's not preloaded and this one is. It takes a lot of the sway and everything out. This is how they're designed. This is your frame. Your mounting bracket that goes in there. Only have to drill the one hole here on the front side here. And the spring is in two pieces, and it shows you basically how to put it on. Real easy. It has a bigger view of the way it goes on. Simple, easy tools. 9/16 wrench. And there you go. Also has the written instructions on how to install it. And then also important notes. But let's get into what they are. Okay. This is part of the spring itself. And here is the other part. This is the top side and this is the bottom side. What they're basically going to do, your frame's going to be here and your suspension is going to be on that side. You can put them in. They are a closed foam, closed rubberized foam of some sort. I don't remember what it was, but it's supposed to take a lot of the sway out. Let me show you the brackets. With your brackets. These are the one that goes over the front spring. And then that gets bolted on. That gets slid in place and bolted in, and there you go. It says it takes about an hour to install a set. We have the front and rear. This here is the front side. So let me show you the rear, kind of what the rear looks like. Rear also has all the instructions that comes with it. And these are a one piece. This is for the rear. These are actually pretty light. I say this in here might be about 5 pounds. So that'll go on the rear. You have 2 of those. Also have all your mounting hardware and your brackets here. That's one of your brackets. And here's the other brackets. And there's your other bracket. I'll show you briefly here with the paperwork on it. This bracket will bolt to the frame. This bracket bolts to your spring. Pretty simple. That shows you a better view of how it's going to go on. Easy to follow, and that's what it looks like after you get it done. Easy bolt in, no drilling required for the rear. It also comes with your limited lifetime warranty. And there shows another view of it. So now let me tell you about the benefits of having these springs. The major advantages of the Sumo Springs over airbags is with the Sumo Springs, you bolt them on and you forget about them. You don't have to do anything else. It takes about an hour to install a set, and then you're done with it. With airbags, you have to worry about ruptured airline, ruptured bags, compressor going bad. You have to monitor the air pressure regularly. With the Sumo Springs, once you bolt them on, you don't have to worry about that. What they do, they are more load leveling, and they take the sway out of your RV when you're driving. It makes it safer when driving to maintain your lane and cornering. I'm going to be installing these here in about 2 weeks. I'm going to try to document before and after what they do and let you know. I'm going to show you how easy they are to install. With the initial cost of buying these, you don't have to worry about them ever again. Whereas an airbag system, if you break an airline, you have to stop, fix the airline. If the airbag breaks, you have to fix the airbag. So then it's downtime. With the Sumo Springs, you don't have the downtime. The only downtime you have is when you put them on. I'll be showing that to you here soon. Questions or comments, please like and subscribe. Give me that thumbs up. Don't forget, I hit that 10,000 mark. I've got a cool prize I'm going to be giving away. Let's hit that 10,000 mark. I'm holding steady where I'm at, but I need to go higher. Let's get it up. Let's make that 10,000 mark a goal, a reality. And I will see you all in the next video.